So what I'm hearing is there are some areas that are just absolute no-goes
For sure.
for people to invest in. And you talked about grey areas. I mean, a hot topic at the moment is water companies, obviously, given the state of our rivers and our seas and a lot of controversy around that particular sector. What can you do with a utility like that where there ought to be some good, but clearly there's some bad practice, particularly bearing in mind part of the controversy is that all of those companies are private and investable in for our clients at the moment?
It's a great question. So water utilities in the UK have been challenged in some degrees. One of the reasons is because of the lack of their historic investment infrastructure, and now they're paying the price for that, right? The issue with that particular investment is that we don't usually invest in the company itself. We invest in the bonds that they issue. And that gives you slightly less, engagement leverage over those companies because you're not a shareholder, you're kind of subscribing to some of their debt. And that means that the engagement tool that is usually in the investor's toolbox isn't as strong as you might think it is. So while some of the investment managers that had historically invested in them try to engage with them, in many cases, this is no longer an investable, security in the sustainable investment framework. What we can do, though, is invest in companies that are helping basically almost the products and services that would help the likes of a Thames Water improve their practices. So, for example, a company that provides smart water metering, stormwater overflow systems, really important with climate change impacts. So we're kind of trying to think about the water theme in a bit more nuanced impacts, not investing in those that have historically shocking corporate behavior, and then moving towards the solution providers that could help them, turn around with new spending packages that have been announced from them.